Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Brian with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to change your site's title. Now this is something that you would think would be super simple and be right out in front for everyone to see, real easy, where to know how to or where to go to fix this or to change this. But it's kind of hidden, and so it can be super difficult and frustrating if you don't know where to look for this. So we're going to head over to the screen, and I'm going to show you exactly where to find this, and you'll see it'll be real easy to get changed once you know where to look. Okay, so we're going to use my demo website for this tutorial, and you can see right up here at the top left, it is the site title, demo website. You can see it up here in the tab as well. And you'd think that maybe it might be like somewhere in settings, in pages maybe, but or maybe even somewhere out in the dashboard, like whenever you're on this, maybe you click on the three dots over here, and it's somewhere in that, but it's not. So you have to actually, in the website, you'll go into edit mode. So click the edit button, and then you're going to actually, it's right here in the header. You're going to actually edit the site header, and then click on site. You'll see there it says site title and logo. So you click the pencil, and then right here is the site title. So you could actually put a logo over the top of that here, but for the purpose of what we're doing here is to show you. So like if I was going to change this to like maybe I was doing using this website for some coding examples or something, to where I was showing people how to do things with CSS. So we'll just change it to that for the purposes of this video. We'll say code. We'll just say CSS code examples. And you see right there it changes. It hadn't changed up here yet, but once we save, all right, and then exit, you'll see it changes in the tab as well. So that's all there is to it. Again, like I said, is one of those things where once you know where to do it, super simple. Just finding it might not make the most sense. But anyhow, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.